Say hi, guys. Say hi, Brains on the beat. Hi, souflotv. I actually don't like doing negative videos or talking negative while I have my son in my hands or while he's around. But I don't, because I don't like my son feeding off that negative energy. He's always happy. He's always laughing. He's a happy child. So I don't want him to absorb that negativity. But I want to do a quick little update on the whole Rawpa Crawpa souflotv thing. One of our subscribers just came to us and told us that the whole thing was a setup and the person gave proof and all of that. So Empress, whatever she want to name, and Rawpa Crawpa have been in cahoots back and forth on each other's channel, commenting on each other's channel, and that's how the whole of this began. I guess Rawpa must have felt a certain type of way when souflotv said that some of these Jamaicans are dunce. Who the cap fit, let them wear it. That's neither here nor there. But behind this whole YouTube thing, behind all of this, when it comes down to it, it comes down to bad mind. It comes down to YouTube being a business. And a lot of people want to act like fake up and make up and act like it's not a business. It's a business. So, more than likely, this Empress, whatever she want to name, gave Rawpa $250 because that's how much he does promotion for, to promote her channel, and he knows that controversy sell, and that's why he uploaded that video. Rawpa, I hope that $250 was worth it. I hope it lasts you a lifetime. I hope that it will do everything your heart's desire. It's funny as hell because, like I explained in the video before, this is not the first, second, or third time souflotv has had issue with Rawpa Crawpa. This is actually the third time. And it's a pattern with him. He acts like him and my husband are friends. They're good. There's no beef. And then he come on social media and try to tear him down, being a crab, being a snake. It's funny too because my husband was the same one that was defending him recently. Recently when he was asking for donations to fix his laptop and Jamaican people was ripping him a new asshole, saying how him broke and him need to go look job, get a 9 to 5 and come off of social media. My husband was the one that was actually defending him and sending his subscribers over to his channel to support him and give him donations so he could fix his laptop and get back to doing YouTube videos. Shout out to my husband. He has 3 therapy licenses, one in Florida, one in Texas, and one in New York. He has a 9 to 5. This isn't his bread and butter. Okay. So if he ever felt the need to just stop the YouTube, he can do that. Will he? I doubt it because he does YouTube for a whole different reason. He don't do it for the money, likes, or fame. He do it for the people that constantly talk to us and constantly come to us and tell us their story and want to use our platform to tell their story and to highlight progressive, productive human beings, especially Jamaicans. So it's hella hilarious about this whole thing that's going on. And if you look in my comment section, you'll see the receipts that I provided, or my community. You will see the receipts that I provided where my husband actually had a question mark in his video while his video was uploaded. He has a question mark in his video while his video was uploaded to YouTube, before it was uploaded to YouTube. So whoever this lady is that's trying to discredit my husband, I hope that your Rawpa and her friendship lasts forever. I hope that promotion money stretch very long and last very long, because you're a snake. Hobby just reached 120k. The people them get shaky because souflotv come catch them up back in their numbers, and they were the same one that went on a campaign about how much 100,000 subscribers they have and how much bigger they are than Jamaican vloggers and show off and bossy. And now, because souflotv is coming and catching you up in numbers, you start move shaky. You start move like a crab in a barrel. Crazy as hell. I will continue to tell my husband not to with these people forever. Okay? Forever. But anyways, when you see a snake, know a snake, man. Say bye, kai. Say kai, bye. Oh, and for all the people that have things to say about me, about how I read, how I look, how I talk, about me and my husband relationship, all of that. Our relationship is none of your business. We tell you guys what we want you to know. And we don't divulge 90% of our life with you guys. You get a good 10%. Remember that. Know that. Y'all will never. Okay? Ever. We have a family to protect. Anyways, you can chat all the stuff that you want to talk about me. Yeah. It don't affect me, don't affect my confidence, it don't affect my mood. I'm good. I'm at home with my son, chilling, making YouTube videos. Living the life. I'm good. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is the update. Deuces. Say bye, kai. Tell the people them bye. Say bye. Who that? Deuce.